In this Python Trinket lesson tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to draw a circle. So let's go ahead and get started by importing our turtle library. And I'm just going to name my turtle T. T equals, sorry, can't see. Let me put on my glasses. That's more like it. Let's just do regular because it's going to throw me off. So Limas equals turtle, capital turtle. Let's try that again. All right, so I named my turtle Limas. Let's change the pen size to make it larger, which we've already learned. Let's make it a pen size of 10. And to make a circle, all you have to do is use the circle function. And there are various parameters, but for a basic circle, you're just going to enter one parameter. And the parameter you're going to enter is the radius that you want of the circle. If you recall in math, the radius is a point from the center to any point on the exterior of a circle. So if I give it a diameter, radius of 25, let me go ahead and click run. And you'll see my circle right here. But if I make it 100, you're going to see my circle there. Now I'm running out of space there. And so as I've shown you before, we can increase the screen size by using the screen equals turtle dot screen. And this is going to expand our grid, and let's make it, because I'm going to keep using the 100 radius, I want it to move down. So I want to increase the y, because y controls up and down, which would be the second coordinate. So right now it's 400 by 400. Let's keep it 400. And let's make it 600, or let's make it 800, and that should move it down. Oh, now it's to the left. Actually, let's make it 600 here. Let's see if that works better. Let's make it 1,000 also. Well, let's make this 1,000. So that should bring it down. And we'll make it 600. That should make it better. Well, it's at least towards the center. That's a circle of 100. Now, you can also make the circles colored. Now, how do we learn how to color? Well, just like other shapes, you're going to use the color function. So I'm going to use limas.color. Notice I do it before the circle. And let's make it a blue color. Remember, you put the color in single quotation marks. And there's our blue line. Now, what if I wanted my circle to, let's make this larger so you can see it, 150. So what if I wanted my circle to be colored on the inside? Well, just like we learned before, we can use the begin fill and the fill color function. So let's go ahead and after the color, if I want it the same color blue, you're going to use the begin underscore fill, which we learned in previous lesson. And you're going to use the end fill after you draw your circle. Don't forget the underscore between the word end fill and begin fill. And so let's click run. And there's our colored circle. Now, if you wanted to add, remember you can add a turtle shape, which I guess I could practice with you guys right now, is to add the shape. After you name your turtle, let's use the Limas shape function. And let's name it turtle. Now you don't have to do this, but it would really help you practice. And so, oops, spelled shape wrong. And there's our solid color blue circle. Now, if we wanted the inside to be a different color, like red, Well, before we use the beginning fill, we got to call in the fill color function. And that fill color function, you're going to type in single parentheses, the color that you want the inside. So let's just use basic. What if I wanted red interior? So let's go ahead and click. You can see the turtle it's red. Now, why isn't my turtle showing up? I think I made a mistake somewhere. Limas.shape turtle, Limas.shape turtle. Huh. I don't know why turtle's not showing up. I'm sure I did something wrong. Oh well, but anyways, the main thing is we're learning how to make circles. And that's it. You can actually make half circles also. But we're actually going to learn that lesson next. Any questions? Give me a call. Just kidding. Send me an email or you guys can contact me.